Hi, this is Sarah from Max Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the Novation Impulse 61 keyboard. This is my partner's keyboard, very useful for creating our own music and playing covers. The Novation Impulse 61 is highly versatile USB bus-powered MIDI controller designed for musicians and producers who want a robust, ultra-responsive experience. It features a full-size 61-key piano keyboard with aftertouch, which gives a natural feel and dynamic playability, perfect for those who prefer a more expressive touch. The velocity-sensitive pads are a standout feature, offering excellent responsiveness for triggering drums, samples, or creating intricate beats. Whether you're composing, performing, or producing, the Impulse 61 delivers precise control over your sound. It's compatible with both Mac and Windows, making it highly accessible for various setups. The included AutoMap software simplifies plug-in control and mapping, streamlining your workflow. The build is solid with a robust construction that can handle heavy use, yet it's still relatively lightweight for easy transport. We use it all the time in our concerts. Overall, the Novation Impulse 61 is a fantastic choice for musicians and producers seeking a feature-rich, reliable MIDI controller with an expressive, high-quality feel. Whether you're in the studio or on stage, it's a highly responsive tool that works seamlessly across different systems.